Okay guys, my first YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a corrupted USB drive, flash drive. Okay, so click start, type CMD. Now you will see a command prompt application, then type disk part. So yes, this will open a disk partition application. Okay, now type this disk. I know my disk is this one because this my flash drive is a 4 gig PQI. So I know this is my disk, this one. So I'll select this one. Now type clean. So to clean the disk. Now type create partition primary. So it will create a partition. So now type active. So it will become active primary partition. So we'll select the partition, type select partition 1. Now we're gonna format it to FAT32 file system. So type format fs means file system equals FAT32. So it will begin formatting. Okay, so you need patience for this because it will take too much time. I'll pause the vid and I'll play the vid when it's almost done. Okay guys, as you can see it's 99% and it's almost done. Okay, so successfully formatted the volume. Okay, let's gonna okay, let's exit. Okay, now we're in exit. So discover. Let's test the drive. Okay, I'm gonna put a sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put a music file sample this 3 files. Okay, so I'm gonna copy. Okay, test complete. So it's effective. Okay, thanks for the vid. Thanks for so comment if you want. Okay.